Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Snapchat shortcut, right? So let's go into the Snapchat mobile application here. And after that, you have to allow all the required permission and just allow it. And after that, you have to go to the chat section. After going to the chat section, basically you have to create a shortcut, right? So guys, you will not get any shortcut option here. Basically, to get the shortcut option, you have to click a snap, right? So we will just click a snap here and just click a snap and just click on the next, and after that just allow the permission here and just we have to click on the next. Okay, and after that you can see here the shortcut option, right? So basically in the last update you will get the option of shortcut, but in the new update you will get the option of create group, right? So basically we will create a group here and you have to select that person, right? So I will just find here, if you can see this is my one of the friend, so I have to select here. Okay, and here on the search bar you can just find your friends, and after that you can select it, and this is pretty easy. And after that you can make a group. Basically you can say that you can just make a Snapchat shortcut and you can just send it, right? And afterwards you have to just click on this icon and all your snap will be sent, and in this way this will help you to increase the Snapchat score, right? So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.